Did you know that the average American household spends over $2,000 a month on bills? That's a lot of money. But what if I told you there are ways to save money on your monthly bills? In this video, I'm going to show you how to lower your expenses and save money on your monthly bills. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save money on your monthly bills. We all want to save money, but it can be hard to know where to start. That's why I'm here to help. I'm going to show you some simple tips and tricks that you can use to lower your expenses and save money on your monthly bills. Tip 1. Review your bills. The first step to saving money on your monthly bills is to review them. Take a look at each of your bills and see if there are any areas where you can cut back. Are there any services that you don't use or need? Are there any discounts or promotions that you can take advantage of? By taking the time to review your bills, you can find ways to save money. Tip 2. Negotiate your rates. Another way to save money on your monthly bills is to negotiate your rates. Many companies are willing to negotiate their rates if you ask. Call your service providers and see if they are willing to lower your rates. You may be surprised at how much money you can save. Tip 3. Shop around. Shopping around is another great way to save money on your monthly bills. Take the time to compare prices and services from different companies. You may be able to find a better deal than what you're currently paying. Tip 4. Take advantage of discounts. Finally, take advantage of any discounts or promotions that are available. Many companies offer discounts for students, seniors, and military personnel. Take the time to research and see if you qualify for any discounts. So there you have it, 4 simple tips to help you save money on your monthly bills. By taking the time to review your bills, negotiate your rates, shop around, and take advantage of discounts, you can save money on your monthly bills. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends.